You don't want your client to have any breakage or bald spots. Key to eyebrows, leave them alone. When they need to be tweezed or to be, cleaned up, then go for it.
I would love to get eyebrow extensions because I feel like it would really enhance my beauty, and I already have eyelash extensions. Doing my eyebrow makeup is such a chore, and I would love to eliminate that step in the makeup application process.
My name is May Manalo. I'm a makeup artist and I specialize in eyebrow extensions and eyelash extensions. I've been freelancing for 19 years. I got into eyelash extensions, which I loved. It was tedious work, but it was fun for me. It was like a video game. And then when eyebrows came in, I was like, ooh, this is a new video game. It's like I get to play all day.
I've never gotten my eyebrows done professionally by anyone. I've never gotten them wax, tweezed, nothing done. That's why I'm really nervous.
There is that saying with beauty, less is more. With brows, it's not necessarily like that.
It's just a part of your presentation when you're talking to someone, so I think it's very important.
That's a great thing about brow extensions. You can actually create something and give them a look. If they don't know exactly how they want to look, this is an opportunity to kind of figure that out for you before you do anything more permanent. First, I'm going to clean any moisture around or on her brows. I'll brush her brows up and down and take a look at which brows I can put the extensions on. I'll take the tweezer and pick up a brow fiber from the palette and dip it into the adhesive and carefully place it onto her eyebrows. And then I'll start from the outer corner going in, placing the eyebrow extensions onto her brows. I'll repeat the steps until her brow is full from the outer corner to the inner corner, and I'll spot correct her eyebrow to see if there's any areas that need more eyebrow extensions to finish her look.
I can't even tell the difference between my real hair and the fake hair. I'm like, it looked nice. It's been 24 hours since I received the treatment. After the treatment was done, I was a little bit shocked that it looked exactly like my hair. It looked very natural. It didn't look fake or anything, so I was happy about that.
If the client is familiar with beauty and she can find ways to upkeep it, I definitely think she can get it to 7 or 10 days.
My eyebrows look way more fuller. I actually got some compliments on my eyebrows when I was on FaceTime with my friends. They liked it.
It's a lot easier when you do have brows like Alexandria. She had full brows. They weren't bold. Her hairs were a lot more on the thinner side, but it wasn't that she didn't have any. She just wanted more. The aftercare process, I definitely think you should stay clear of any oils or ointments onto the face. I recommended for her to clean around it. I want her to feel comfortable to do the things that she naturally does on a daily.
I feel like every woman is beautiful in their own right, so I just feel like when we get stuff done, it enhances it. We just have to find our inner beauty, but I would definitely recommend it for someone who struggles with hair loss or just growing hair on their eyebrows.
Thank you for watching Refinery29. For more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.